Today we're going to use activity streams to keep our finger on the pulse of who's visiting our website, understanding what they're looking for and responding to their activity. You could respond by sending activity alerts as an email notification to your sales team, or triggering an automation to add a tag and then segmenting your contact by their activity, or even boosting their lead score if they visit your pricing page, for example. If we take a look in the activity section, we can see that Jumplead processes website visitor interactions in real time, highlighting the activity of your prospects. You'll find the raw real-time activity in the Prospects tab. This includes activity from both returning leads that have interacted with you previously and organizations identified by their IP address. Information includes the location, source and activity of your returning leads, and you can click through to their profile page to manage and even message them through Jumplead. As regards identifying organisations, you might find this information particularly useful if you're business to business and can readily identify the individual that's responsible for purchase decisions in those visiting organisations. Don't worry if not, because using Jumplead conversion forms and landing pages to generate leads by publishing downloadable content designed to entice your buyers is a tried and tested way to generate leads you can nurture into customers. Now, seeing this activity is all well and good, but where this gets interesting is where you start to create what we call activity streams, which are filtered views of your real-time activity. When you create an activity stream, you can specify the locations and page view activity that you wish to filter down to. So you might have an activity stream that only includes returning leads that are from Canada and have visited your pricing page. Now that's nice, but you don't want to have to be logged into Jumplead 24/7 monitoring this, so why not add an automation to send you a notification when a returning lead matches that criteria and enters your stream? That way, you can connect with your lead at a time that's right for them, knowing that they have questions about your pricing. Another way to use activity streams would be if you have a couple of different products or services on your website to set up an activity stream to tag your contacts based upon the site sections that they've visited, using a wildcard to match based upon your website's URLs. This way, further down the line, you can segment based upon browsing activity or even spot a potential cross-sell. You could also trigger a follow-up campaign to run based upon that first visit match, or change your contact stage, whatever makes sense for how you wish to nurture your contacts. So there are just a few uses for activity streams, from sales team enablement to segmentation and as a nurture trigger. That's all, folks. I hope this gives you some ideas as to how you might use activity streams and automations with Jumplead, and thanks for listening.